What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the MXG YouTube channel again, and thanks to the dark depths of the internet, I have another treat for you guys today. We've known that GasGas was planning on entering the adventure or the travel realm for a few months, and we've known specifically that they're going to do a 690-701 sister bike. And, we kind of can imagine what that would look like. We're pretty excited about it. This has been confirmed because of the KTM VIN number registration. So we're looking at a GasGas SM700, which obviously is the Supermoto version, and an ES700, which would be the Enduro version. Pretty excited about that. I think, the 690 Enduro is like one of my favorite motorcycles, if not my favorite. Love that thing. It's the true do-it-all dual sport. I got a couple DR650s, and the way I describe the 690 KTM is everything you ever dreamed your DR650 could be or could do. That's what the 690 is. But yeah, before I show you guys these pictures of the GasGas from the dark depths of the internet, let's talk about the backstory of what's going on with the 690 and 701 this year and its availability. A lot of dealers that I've talked to have had their allotments of these bikes taken away in the US. I understand this has really not been the case in Canada and in other countries, but in the US at least, a lot of dealers have lost their allotments. A lot of customers have had their deposits given back, and we really haven't been given any information from KTM as to why. If there's a COVID, if there's a supply chain issue that's causing a shortage, I would think that KTM would just tell us that or let us know what's up, but there may not be any coming to the U.S. this year whatsoever. So it could be a shortage in supply chain, or it could be maybe these bikes are being discontinued, and maybe the GasGas will be the only model available. Maybe the KTM Husky is being sunsetted and replaced with some kind of parallel twin enduro. We know that the product portfolios show, like a 490 enduro or a 901 enduro or something like that. But those motors aren't here yet, so we can only speculate. Either way, KTM, we love this bike, and we hope you don't get rid of it. So, yeah, here it is. Check it out, the GasGas 700s. They look exactly, very close to the renders we saw, and exactly like we hoped they'd look. We just wanted a red KTM, and man, does this thing look sharp. They didn't mess it up throwing a lot of white and black in. They kept it red. It jumps at you. These bikes look good. They perform good. These are some absolute beautiful photos. I don't know what's going on with them. They've just been, somebody found these on the internet somewhere, and hopefully GasGas will release all the information and pricing and all that on these bikes really soon. So super excited. Just gotta give it up to KTM again for bringing Husqvarna and GasGas into the KTM group and giving us so many different options with makes and models. It's just something that's a breath of fresh air in this industry a lot. So, all right, guys. Photos were sweet, and if you guys appreciate quick little videos like this where I try not to take up too much of your time, let today be the day I earn your subscription. Please just smash the red button. One step further, you can smash the bell. 2 steps further, you can hit the blue join button and actually join my race team, and we can chat it up anytime. You get a badge beside your name. You get some videos and some posts and pictures and stuff that the regular subscribers don't get. So, all right, guys, that's it for today. Look for tons more videos about new models. This is the most exciting time in 4 or 5 years in KTM Group, because we're getting a new dirt bike model, and we're not only getting motocrossers, and we're getting off-roaders and fuel injected 2-strokes and a million other cool things. So this is your spot for all that news, guys. I've I'm going to drop it all. So appreciate you all. I'll see you in the next video.